If you have been looking for the safest, reliable and fastest way to ship your wholesale cosmetics, food and beverage, organics and more from Nigeria to other countries abroad but don't know how to do so, this video covers how to easily ship abroad without stress. Here are our top 5 shipping agencies small and medium-scale business owners can use to ship or export abroad. Kindly hit the subscribe button, comment and like if you love this video. It will encourage us to do more. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at RubitStore. Number 5. NiPost. The Nigerian Postal Service is a government-owned delivery agency that is responsible for effective and efficient collection, conveyance, and delivery of documents and goods worldwide. The service provides express clearance for dutiable goods not exceeding 30 kilograms. Although very slow in their delivery services, they are reliable and can ship to different locations worldwide. If you are living in a rural area in Nigeria and can't find DHL, FedEx or the various shipping platforms mentioned in this video, NiPost is manageable and can do the job but not at the very best. Although operational in the year 1852, when the British colonial masters established the first post office, the Nigerian Postal Service, NiPost, became a government department in 1985, January 1st to be precise. This was along with the establishment of the Nigerian Telecommunications Limited, although operational in the year 1852, when the British colonial masters established the first post office. NiPost was saddled with the responsibility of overseeing the dispatch and distribution of overseas mail. They were also in charge of philatelic services in Nigeria. They also printed postage stamps of postage tariff and payment of stamp duties. Number 4. FedEx Nigeria. It's a multinational courier service company that is majorly known for its efficient shipping services and also for heralding a system wherein clients can be able to track their packages while in transit. FedEx ensures that they provide real-time information to their customers on the exact location of their packages in transit before it gets to its final destination. FedEx Corporation, formerly Federal Express Corporation and later FDX Corporation, is an American multinational conglomerate holding company focused on transportation, e-commerce and services with different branches across Nigeria. The name FedEx is a syllabic abbreviation of the name of the company's original air division, Federal Express, which was used from 1973 until 2000. Customers that want to send packages or parcels from Nigeria to other countries can make use of the FedEx online website, where they would be required to create an account, check the weight of their package, make payments, track their packages. Number 3. DHL. Although very fast but amazingly expensive, DHL is one of the top shipping and delivery companies globally. It has branches across different parts of the world, DHL Nigeria being one of them. DHL, also known as Deutsche Post DHL Group, is a company that enhances global interconnectedness. Over the years, the company has created a reliable international network that makes the supply chain easier to manage. Today, the company has spread its wings to over 220 countries, including some African countries. The company delivers over 1.5 billion parcels every year. DHL Nigeria has also created many employment opportunities for Nigerian citizens. To ship or export in bulk using DHL in Nigeria, it is best for business owners to visit their head office, which is located beside Toyota bus stop before Oshodi in Lagos, Nigeria, to make further inquiries on how to open a corporate DHL account. Corporate DHL accounts for business owners are usually charged lesser depending on the weight on every shipment they make. Shipping with DHL to United Kingdom and USA using DHL, for example, usually takes 3 to 5 days at most. They are fast and very reliable, but the fee charged is top-notch. Number 2. Skyway. Skyway Aviation Handling Company PLC, Skyway, is the leading airport and aviation service provider offering a comprehensive range of services in terms of quality, reliability, innovation, and network coverage in Nigeria. Soko downless passenger facilitation, crew transportation, refueling and aviation training services from its base at Murtala Muhammad International Airport, Lagos. Soko is built to export large goods ranging from 5 kilograms to 120 kilograms and is very affordable. To ship with Soko, you must have a reliable agent who will facilitate the whole process for you. Once you have a reliable agent, everything becomes easy and hassle-free. Number 1. Knuckle. Knuckle is one of the best, cheapest and relatively fastest way small and medium-scale business owners can ship in bulk abroad. Once you have a reliable agent, everything becomes easy and hassle-free. Established in 1979, the Nigerian aviation handling company, Knuckle Aviance, provides aviation cargo, aircraft handling, passenger facilitation, crew transportation, refueling and aviation training services from its base at Murtala Muhammad International Airport. Knuckle Aviance serves over 35 airlines throughout 7 airports across Nigeria, handling approximately 70% of domestic and foreign airlines operating into the country. In 2005, Knuckle Aviance was privatized and listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange in 2006. Air France and Lufthansa both have acquired stakes in the company. Kindly hit the subscribe button, comment and like if you love this video. It will encourage us to do more. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore.